Hey you guys, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Peele here with a new video for Hip Hop Fit. Now you guys already know what I need you to do, right? That's right, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss a video, please. All right, so before we get started, you guys, that's right, we got the beautiful L Boogie is in the building today, ready to get it in and show you what she got. And we got that snack. Mr. Smooth himself, Jordan, is also in the building. He's ready to get it in, you guys. Now, before we go any further, you guys make sure that you get into the description box. See how you can show us some love by donating, or also, your donations are so much appreciated, but we also appreciate the love that you send to us, letting us know how much weight you've lost, how good you are feeling, and we also love to see you doing it with your friends and your family. So thank you very much. Enough talking. You guys ready? Let's get it. Mike Peele, Hip Hop Fit. Come on, baby, get some. Do not complain. Find a solution to what you're complaining about. Hip Hop Fit, I'll see you on the next video.